room is this?
Welcome to my room.
All right, so why don't you just show us around your room a little bit?
Well, just come inside.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, I love your rooms. You want to tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, so I'm an RA at McNutt, and so I have a double room, and it's just me. But I have all the double furniture. So I wanted to film this because people wanted to see an updated room tour, and also people are going to be moving in soon to McNutt/IU. So I wanted to show you guys what I have evolved into with this room. And I'm also having my videographer Grace here, my bestie if you will.
Trying my best here.
I got this advice from my dear friend Tommy because he talks about his room in the form of many rooms, which will make sense as I go along. But basically, in this room, I have a bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, little areas. Yeah,
I like that.
that's how you gotta see it, or you'll go insane. So we're gonna start over here with my bathroom. So here I've got like a little bit of some easy grab and go skincare stuff, mouthwash, toothbrush, toothpaste, everything. Below we've got like some more stuff. I guess you'd consider this the kitchen aspect because it's my cleaning supplies, but below
Scrub
this is
daddy.
another thing you would find in a bathroom. My straightener, my everything, my everything that I would ever possibly need. So this is my little bathroom area. Also, down below, this is where I keep my shower caddy. It's got all the stuff that I shower with. Now that we're done with the bathroom.
We got some towels in the back too,
Oh,
right?
that is so true. I have these command hooks that hold my towels, which is very nice and convenient because they dry. And I'm not leaving these in the community bathroom.
Good.
Because it's scary.
Right.
But
What about this picture? Is this part of the bathroom or?
this is a this is something that has a lot of meaning to me.
Gives you good luck, right?
Yeah, when you put your hand on it, it energizes you for the day. So
I
every
like.
day, I put my hand right
In the bathroom?
in the bathroom. I
Alright.
go into the bathroom for this.
Right. Moving on. Okay, go.
So now we're gonna move on to the closet. This is my first closet. This bedroom comes with 2 closets. It's crazy.
Okay, so you have 2. So this is one of them.
So actually, we'll go up here. This is actually another thing in my closet. I'll bring it down for you. I'll bring it down.
All right.
Come back. I've got a little skincare
Oh, wow.
tub. So a little extension to my bathroom, but keep it in the closet for closet space. Then I have, this one's heavy, my laundry / other cleaning supplies. Just typical things you'd find in a closet. And lastly, I have some stuff that I could use in my living room. A little projector, little discs.
The entertainment center,
Yeah,
right?
the entertainment center, if you will. We'll start with the decor right here. I have a things to do board if I have things to do. I also have this picture that my friend Grace, my videographer Grace,
It's me.
and my other friend Olivia painted of me. It's a self-portrait. I wish
Pretty
I
accurate,
looked this way.
Go stand by it.
I wish I looked this way.
Same pic.
Then I have some affirmations here.
Did you make that yourself?
I did. And that was from the gym during Celebrate Every Body Week. There's a little mirror that comes in most of the IU chests, I think all of them. But I have all my clothes. I have my overnight bag for when I leave this place. I have my purse. Then I have all the shoes, which I have way too many shoes, but they all fit up here, which I find really nice. So that is a very nice addition. Top drawer, more cleaning supplies. This is basically all cleaning supplies.
Wow.
And feminine care. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Down below is extra skincare stuff. I got these organizational things from Target. Makes my life a lot easier. So that's all the stuff that's just extra that I don't really need to use. Now that we're done with this area, we're gonna move on to my half vanity, half kitchen. You don't see this in many homes like mine.
Right.
So we're gonna start here. This is my skincare fridge. This is where I keep my nicer skincare so I don't have to buy any new ones if it goes bad.
I wish I had a skincare fridge.
And you should have one. I keep my Kiehl's in here. All the like expensive stuff that I really couldn't like afford to buy more of. Mirror for whenever I do makeup, do a little skincare.
Is this the daily vanity?
Yeah, this is like a daily vanity. And so moving up here, we've got like my contacts stuff. Yeah, we also have some little decor candles for show, of course.
Of course.
Of course. Just some little show. That's the kitchen, actually. So we'll stay in this area. So this is another decor piece. My man, Jesus.
He looks really good in this photo.
I know, I like it.
Photographs
I
well.
got it from this person on Instagram. Her name's Celeste Clark, and she makes these like paintings and then makes prints of them. Yeah, and then this is what my boyfriend's mom got me the year after I got baptized. Moving on to my kitchen.
So the other side of the vanity.
Yes, and of course some of these things are for show.
Okay.
So I have my plates and bowls up here. I'm trying to be more sustainable, so I'm trying not to use paper plates as much, but there are paper plates in this tour, so I'm trying. I just wanted to say that. A little French vanilla syrup moment, milk frother.
Wow.
Then down below is the most important thing, my coffee maker. Gives me life. I actually got these from the C-store. Didn't know they had K-cups till like a few whiles ago. Because Grace told me about them, so these have changed my life.
Chamberlain coffee, right?
So true, and I got this from Target just to put like coffee grounds in. Also got some matcha and a little decor. I don't know where I got this from. I think I got it from like Hobby Lobby, the frame. But then I wanted to show you guys this. It's a little Polaroid scrapbook.
Wow.
Yeah, so a bunch of fun little pics. Then I have some seasonings, spices for my kitchen. Silverware because I am trying to be more sustainable. Extra refills, plastic bags. I also have this reusable plastic or silicone bag to be sustainable. Oh. Some things for show, but some Tupperware.
Awesome. So which room should we go to next?
I was thinking the second closet, so we can start up here. This is where I keep my fan that I sleep with, because if you don't sleep with a fan, you're doing it wrong.
White noise, right?
Yes. And then I have my RA box, which is everything that I could possibly need in an RA, as an RA.
Staples, right? Glue
Stapler.
stick. So true.
Yeah, anyways. And I have some more stuff that I should probably return to the RA resource room, but just don't have time yet. I have these little things on my chest, little decor made by my friend Tommy. A little bit of choice words on there. So we're just gonna cover them.
Your air density today, would you say, is thick or thin?
You can answer that for me.
I'd say it's pretty thin today.
Okay, cool. And then air smell, good or bad? He says I'm like somewhere in the middle. This was also in February, so could have changed by then.
Right.
Moving down here from my friend Carl. Comic strip. Doesn't make a lot of sense unless you've read the book that he read. The comic strip book thing. So he actually signed this for me because he's just that nice. To my biggest fan, Carl Fulton.
If you guys can see where the Carl starts and Fulton.
I see a little bit of an F, but not a lot of a K.
So what kind of stuff do you keep in this dresser? Do you keep the same stuff, clothes?
I keep some mugs. This is like half kitchen, half closet. Maybe like 1/4 kitchen, 3/4 closet. So, before we continue too far, use my code, Hadley's Happiness.
Good.
Liquid
thinking.
IV, 25% off at checkout and free shipping. So, if you want any Liquid IV, you can use my code. We have some mugs up here because I have an addiction to mugs, so I have a lot. And these aren't even all of them. I didn't even take all of them to college because I can't fit them all here. So this is like a lot of them. But moving below, I have all of my like short sleeve clothes and a little laundry backpack, which has been really nice, so I hang it up on a hanger. But then down below, I have more aspects of my closet. I have some winter wear and a lunchbox and wasp spray.
Oh.
For defense. And then we have my pantry. This is the little cleaning closet minus the closet, and it's where my mop and my vacuum go. Ergo Rapido lithium vacuum. So yeah, and then this is my chair. I low-key don't sit in this.
Is it comfy?
It is comfy. I think I got it from Walmart.
It's more the social chair, right?
Yeah, but like, your room's the social room, so.
Oh.
Nobody sits in this chair. And then we move on to my living room.
Ooh, good shot.
Here we have my little tote bags, blanket if I need it. Also have this over here. It's another backpack. And these vines for the aesthetic. I also got these pins at the Van Gogh exhibit. And I have this little tray from Amazon. And then I have this bamboo tray from Amazon also. Got some pillows from Target. And I also have this aromatherapy diffuser for essential oils. And then this from Target. This from Target. This from Target. Everything from Target pretty much. And the comforters also from Target. Got some plants. Got my little quiet time shelf and stuff like that, just for my morning reading. This little charge stone that I got in like Arizona or something when I was out west. Wow. It's supposed to give you good energy. Moving on to
probably my favorite area, I would say.
You like?
I love the living room, yeah.
Okay, cool,
very comfy.
Cool. I love that. And then this is my other half of the kitchen. My mini fridge. It's got a freezer. It's kind of empty right now. Lots of storage. I got this from Amazon also. Then a microwave, just the usual. And I got this from Amazon to dry my dishes. And this mat from Natural Life. It says the grass is greener where you water it. Oh yeah, so here's my little decor wall. My art gallery.
If you will.
If you will. So I got this from like one of those home stores. I don't remember. Home Goods maybe? Then I also got these from Hobby Lobby maybe? It's been so long. But I also got this. Did you get this little...
Oh wow, I didn't even see that.
It's got some Polaroid pictures and some little cacti.
Love.
Got some jewelry, a jewelry holder. I got that from Amazon. I got these books just from anywhere, everywhere. I am also the most creative McNut ever. I got that from my door decks, the things I put on people's doors for their names. Some candles for show, of course.
Of course.
And some smelly stuff. So, lavender and sage. And then that is all the stuff on my top shelf, just a little decor moment. And then down below, I have some books that I've either had to read for class or for leisure. But low-key, I don't have any time to read books, so I've only read the third, like up to the third book of this, even though I want to finish it. But then I have some just stuff to keep everything more organized here. I really don't use this very much, like it's just there to hold stuff. Then I have my watch bands and makeup brushes, and also some hair clip and hair tie stuff in that bin.
Wow.
Also a little note from Simon, because he's sweet. And then down below, oh, I forgot to mention this is my office. But
maybe sit in your office chair?
yeah, I have a little pillow for comfort because it gets rough out here. I have this laptop stand. I got it from Amazon. It makes doing like lecture stuff a lot easier. I also got this keyboard, which is like my favorite thing. Love my life.
Love the sound. Do you want to do a little sound for us?
My password's like, what are you doing? I got that from Amazon. It also comes with, we'll get to that, but it comes with the mouse also. But I have this little organizational thing. So the top drawer, I have stickers because I like to sticker journal.
This is my first time seeing this vlog.
Just any vibe.
Whoa.
Yeah. I really don't do it as often, but I really like to do it.
Color coordination too.
Yeah, so I got those from Shein, the stickers, because you can get them really cheap. And some more stuff. Have my power strip here for charging my appliances at night and throughout the day. I have my little planner here, coasters, all that vibe.
Our coffee we got today.
Yes, Grace got it for me because she's an angel.
We were out of everything though.
And then here's like where I keep my switch, my calculator, extra makeup palettes, and that mouse. And then whenever I'm done with the keyboard, I just like put it in here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then here I have some essential oils, some blue light glasses, just some extra stuff. And then I have a little makeup. And then I have heat pack, camera case, goggles for lab, which I literally don't ever want to do again, and extra cords. So that is all for my office. Moving on to my pantry, I have some things that I just grab for throughout the day. But my favorite of the moment is this. And also, an avocado is always good. But this is just the stuff that I enjoy. Second shelf is stuff that I don't eat as often. And then the third shelf is the stuff that is going to take a little bit more time. So,
where'd you get the cart?
I got it from the Container Store, I think. This is my bedroom. Then down below, if you raise your bed, which these beds can be raised all the way to here, but you can also lower them really far. But I raised mine to where I could fit both of those little drawers underneath my bed. So that was really convenient for me because it gives me more space in here. But I have all my clothes in that. But this is helpful because even though I'm like 5'8", I still can't get up on this bed on my own. So it's nice to have a little thing. And it also has storage inside. So if I needed to put anything in there, I could. My towels.
Wow.
And then down below I have like Walmart stacks, Target stacks, reusable bags. So yeah, that is everything. And then my bed. My comforter, I can't remember. It's like Kohl's, like one of those places, somewhere that sells like stuff.
Comfy.
Yeah. And this came with the set. This is like all pillows from the set of the comforter. I got this from Urban Outfitters.
Little llama?
Yeah, this from Urban Outfitters. And then this from Pottery Barn, like when I was like 5. But I've had it for so long. And then Tapestry is from Urban Outfitters. White lights or Christmas lights that are white. And then my sign, I can't remember where I got it. I think it's like Hobby Lobby or something. But moving on to my nightstand and one of the last things of this video. So I got this moon light, I think from Amazon maybe, I'm not really sure, but very cute. Got this from Urban Outfitters, little Polaroid stand. And then I also have these little toys from going to McDonald's, getting Happy Meals. We love it.
Trying to collect all of the Mario racers.
Yeah. Then I have this, also got it from Urban Outfitters, Polaroid holder. And then I have these sprays for my room. I have my Apple Watch charger. I got this from Amazon. Coasters, not sure. Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, not sure. Below I have some journaling things, and the really nice thing about this, which I don't remember if I said it, this nightstand is from Dormify, and it's a charging nightstand, so there's a little like outlet that I can charge stuff with, so that's really convenient. Then below, I'm not going to show you everything that's in these, but medicine, etc., nails, stuff. So that's all the stuff there. And then mudroom.
Yeah. Entryway
Mudroom has my shoes that I wear the most often, including these, which are my favorite.
These are the dailies.
Love these. And since we're down here, this rug I got from Walmart, and it was cheaper than other rugs that I found, and it's still very nice quality. So
awesome. Yeah. So should we get a pan of the whole room?
Yeah, if you want. That is everything. Grace, thanks so much for coming in today.
Yeah, love it.
But
any last words?
That is the end of this video. I wanted to make this because I know it is requested and people want to see what IU has because they don't know what comes in like an IU room. But if you're going to be living in a double room, you'll have everything but like half. So like you'll share the other half with your roommate. It is not very common that you'll get a double room all by yourself. It's kind of an RA thing, so.
Do you wish that you had single furniture but double room, or do you like the double furniture with the double room?
I like the double storage space, but the double bed, although I use it as a little like couch thing, I still kind of wish I'd have it. Something that I feel like I'm gonna add next year is a TV.
She's very organized. If you came into my room, it would be very hectic.
We should do a little room tour. That'd be fun.
Group room tour of my room, like you tour my room.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, I don't want to take your shine.
Yeah.
What else you got to say? Anything else?
Nope, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Okay, bye. Should we do this little thing?
We do the kiss.
Oh. Bye. So I made my way to the back of your room. Want to tell me a little bit about what I'm looking at?
Keep it going.
All right.
Okay.
So what am I looking at right now? Ooh, she's genuine. All right. What's this area? You want to talk to me about each area?
Sorry.
Okay, are you saying something first or am I asking?
Mad?
No, I'm not. I just feel bad that I can't do it right.
Are you still recording? Okay, so I don't know why I'm acting like this. Got a lot of rooms in this room, and it's like good so far. No.
It made sense until you said that. What do you mean by a lot of rooms in this room, bestie?
Okay, maybe I need to.
So we got a lot of sections in this room.
No, let me start over. I'm sorry. I'm thinking the second closet in this bit. I'm just kidding.